Okay, we've had some problems with the chickens getting out of their pen. So we need to clip their wings so they can't fly over the fence anymore. We've already clipped wings on all three of them, but just the right side. So we're gonna clip the left side on this chicken. So get your chicken. Let me show you the clipped wing. And the wings are dead from about 2/3 of the way up to the end of the wing. So they don't feel anything. They just lose the ability to fly. So you gotta roll the chicken over. Usually when you get them over a little bit, they get kind of calm. So there you can see the wing, the feathers. Just get a sharp pair of scissors. And we're just going to trim off some of the end of the feathers. And you don't want to go too deep, because you can, if you go too far, the wing will bleed. Okay, that will be good. And we'll put her back in the pen. Alright, this is what the work is worth. That's probably about 5 days of eggs.